What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, y'all. But as y'all can see, we're gonna be adding the cold air intake on my boy E Hellcat, y'all. So we're gonna see how this goes. No, we did it already on the V6. Now we're gonna just do it on the Cat. Yep, your setup just like mine. See, you got the SRT or your
Oh, your shit don't
nah, man, I don't need to say SRT, man. They cheated me, man. The fuck? They cheated me out of a goddamn his thing say SRT on them. I don't even say that. Well, I'm doing comparisons and see. And they kind of somewhat similar, y'all. Let's do a comparison, y'all. See, real quick. I gotta do a cold air intake on mine as well. I ain't gonna do it in this video. We're gonna just do his. And let y'all hear how the thing sound. See, look, y'all see how my box, they cheated me, man. Why the hell my box regular and shit? Your shit say SRT. Come on, man. Ain't hell. Ain't that some shit? They got out on your boy, man. But other than that, shit, they somewhat similar though. Something I can see. Let's see. Charger, Durango. Hey, I'm painting my I got the stickers for this shit right here though.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, my shit gonna be red. And I'm thinking about painting my supercharger red too.
Ooh.
I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna see though.
I need to start spraying some.
Nigga, you look at my shit. I should no better.
I need to start spraying some armor on my shit.
That's what I'm gonna start doing too, man. My shit dirty as hell. It's like I don't show this bitch no love.
That's how I feel too, bro. I gotta switch some shit up.
Yeah. Boy got the JLT. Yeah. This should be a simple process, bro. We're gonna just unhook that bitch right there. Take these screws out. I'm gonna get a screwdriver. Smack the other one in. I'm gonna see how this shit look though. This shit should be pretty simple.
Boy, I got so fucking happy when I seen this shit, man.
Where you buy it from?
Fucking American Muscle.
Oh, American Muscle. Oh, you had to order it?
Yeah, or that bitch like $4.
Yeah. Yep. That's how much they run. Something like that. Yeah, it should be pretty simple though.
And then I want to put it's crazy because I didn't know this was coming with it. I thought it was just a kit like that. But you know, this
Oh, that's for the cover. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. For when it rains. You don't want it on there?
No, I do. I want.
Oh,
I do want
yeah.
it on there.
See, some people though, that I seen, they'll only put it on when it rain. But yeah, you can leave your shit on if you want, however you want to do it. But
Nah, that shit work.
yeah, we gonna figure it out. You go on one of these screws, these two screws right there. That one, then that one. That's what these two should be right there for. Yep, and tie that shit in there like that.
Yeah.
You got two of them?
Yeah, they came with two.
So what I guess for that side? Cause you really
Nah, I don't need it.
Yeah, you don't need one on this side.
I don't need one on that side.
Yeah, you only got what? Let me see. Yeah, just that one thing right there. Yeah. Yep, let's do it, shit.
Yes, sirski.
Let me grab that. What's this right here? You got a aftermarket alarm on there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got the same one on mine.
Me.
Yeah.
And I got that steering wheel lock too.
I understand what? Yeah, boy. For sure, gonna need that. For sure.
Say, bro, that motherfucker look like motherfucking. Boy.
Oh yeah, ooh yeah, you need that for sure.
Me.
Yeah, for sure you need that. You need to tint this bitch out some more too, nigga.
Yeah, but see, I really just don't want no tickets like that. Bro.
Yeah, you ain't lying. Yeah, I'll show you that shit. Get them a walk around of your shit real quick.
Yeah.
This bitch hard, boy. And I love cats.
Yeah, something about them cats.
Man, something about them damn cats. Hell yeah. Yeah, I know we got the scat pack down. That's the rental right there.
Okay.
For the little Mustang. The Mustang. I think it's a V8 too.
Damn, for real?
I believe so. So I'll probably get down on you on this Hellcat.
Hey, bro.
Nah, this bitch slow though. This motherfucker slow.
Yeah.
I think it's a V8 shit. I don't know. You don't say GT or nothing. Yeah, it's a convertible. I don't like this damn car too damn small.
Yeah, bro. That's why I didn't want no fucking calendar.
Nah,
bro.
that's exactly why I ain't want one.
Or no damn ZL1.
One of the Z01. Yeah.
Supposed to keep cramped, bro.
It's like I gotta get a photo of something, bro.
Yeah,
I can't do that to those shit, man. All right, let's get started, y'all. All right, we halfway off. Got the top part off. Having a little problem getting it off, but we're gonna get it though. Gonna clear all this out right here, and then we're gonna get it put in. So let's finish it. And then We'll put the other one in, y'all, and then we're gonna let y'all see how it sound. But let's go ahead and finish working though. Let's put it in real quick. We got it in there. Dex old ass figure and everything, y'all.
It ain't supposed to be this damn hard.
No,
bro.
man, she giving us a hard time today, but we got it in there.
Yeah.
That's pretty much really it though. You know what I'm saying? We just add the parts in there, then we pretty much good after that. My boy E sweating over here, man. Yeah, we damn near got it. All right, let's knock these other parts out. Then we pretty much good. And then put these sensors in and shit.
What did D for? To like tighten it down?
Which one?
D. I don't know. Came with screws and shit.
I sure don't know what that part is right there. Yeah, we're gonna have to. We gotta see as we go. But right now, let's screw this whole down real quick, so it's more won't move no more.
I ain't gonna lie, 'cause my shit was a little bit more hard, because we had to move shit.
Yeah, we had to move shit around with his.
Yeah,
This shit was way hard. I don't know why. His shit was a V6, but it still was harder.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe these were the, she's talking about these putting these.
Oh yeah, we gotta do this while this shit in here, cause
Yeah.
I don't want to take this bitch back out. But I know one. I think
right
one going there.
Because I think one going here as well.
Yeah, and notice. Yeah, that's that.
Yeah. Yeah, so that part going in there, I guess for the part that we.
Oh, that's probably where they.
That plate. Yeah, it's crazy. 'Cause I was about to say that.
Yeah.
That's why that plate going at.
Maybe they just gave me an extra one, bro, because
I ain't no telling, bro. 'Cause
this don't fit in here.
You said
Yeah.
it don't?
Yeah, this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that don't fit in there. So maybe this is just an extra.
Yeah, it might be.
All right, let's finish getting this down.
Cause when the sensor go, when the sensor go in there, it's
All right,
like the whole shit.
we got the sensor on there. Oh shit, move that. Screw that last one down right there. Should we put all the sensors in?
I'm broke. I know you sure looking at me like, no, what the fuck this nigga looking for?
Yeah, I'm like, bro, this trash.
No.
Hold that, Dex. Oh yeah. Make sure that bitch all the way on there,
No,
right?
this trash. Nah, nigga, I need some off there, bro.
Double check to make sure all those tight. All right, yep.
Like, this trash. Nah, bro, this shit got something, bro.
Yeah, my shit definitely, my cooling, okay, so my cooling down there then. So yeah, it should be similar, but yeah, it's somewhat similar. All right, we almost there, y'all. Almost there. Yeah, it's just getting cold, man. My hands hurt. Shit.
We ain't stay in the house long enough.
I know, that's what it was.
But what's up?
All right, y'all. Let's get on to our next step, which is pretty much mounting this shit in right now. And then I gotta see if it's a screw that going there, cause this shit gotta line up right there, like that. Put the hose on, throw that in, connect these two to that, and we done. All right, let's do it. Old man Dex.
But we.
Bro, if
Yeah,
it
we
was
got
just
it.
me and Ant, we still probably trying to put this damn thing in, bro.
No, not really.
Nah, we
Y'all
would've got it
figure
in.
it out, bro.
We got it in.
Oh, go, y'all would figure it out. I'm just the type, bro. I'll be paying attention to the small shit, bro.
Now all we gotta do is add that filter on there, and then shit, that's pretty much it. And then we're gonna hear how it sound. Shit. Y'all love instructions on YouTube, you'll get it. For real. All right, let's grab that filter. Yeah, put that sensor right here all the way in there like that. Clamp that in.
Clamp.
Clamp.
God,
Now we gotta throw that in there, and then that's it.
So you can tell it more, but you install your own shit.
Type shit. So how is this shit?
Some shit you gotta play with again. We probably should have put it in before we tighten that shit up right there.
Damn, that's right.
Probably will, but we'll see. Try to get this shit down in there like that.
Probably should have.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Let me see. All right, we had to untighten it, y'all. So now we're gonna see. Add it in there like that. Yeah, is that clamp on loose?
Oh.
That yeah, you gotta make sure that clamp on loose. That flat head.
I'm loosen that bitch and we could do it just like that.
We right in time though, cause shit it's starting getting dark now. So. We got it in there now. My boy official, man.
It's official.
Yes, sir. everything down in there. I can't wait to hear how this motherfucker sound. Gotta put that sensor back in. I'm for the recording. All right, let's start cleaning up, man. We got it
How
in
the
there.
fuck you got me in here viewing this motherfucking cold? Nah, I'm just talking shit, man.
Hey, this motherfucker look good, boy.
I'm
See,
just
this is what you gotta
talking
put in your
shit.
car. The cold air intake? You need a cold air intake in your car for sure. Cause it helps
make
to
it
breathe
breathe,
better. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. What these screws right here go to? With that old filter on it. It was some on that.
Yeah.
So we got everything else on there.
Clamped up, man.
Yeah. Y'all
Yes, sir.
for sure.
Once you say she worry about when she get her shit.
Yeah, that's
Now,
yeah.
what you gotta worry about now is putting that the rain guard on there.
Yeah, that right. Oh yeah, let's do that real quick. Oh, shit, get that back in there like that.
I swear.
Bro, that's I was looking for that light.
Them two screws probably come out. Let me see. Yeah.
You can use the ring.
Huh. What?
For that lighter.
You was? Oh shit. Huh.
Where the fuck I put it at? I don't want no.
So if you got one of these
Sockets.
sockets fit on that bitch, that's gonna be the easiest way.
Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I got a socket for that.
And next time, in the cold, we gonna pull your shit out and pull the motherfucker inside the garage.
Shit, it's still cold enough.
Yeah. We gonna go there. Hey, mama gonna have to go buy a heater.
Go buy a heater, yeah. That's the best way to do it.
Yeah, one of them
Oh no, he said
One
he
of them
good.
sockets fit in that bitch.
Oh, let's see. Hold on, y'all. That is the right one, right? Because you got two of them.
So yeah, two of them. I don't know what's the purpose of the other one.
You want to try to make sure. Well, that should be it, right? I think so. It might go inside though.
What you think?
Let me see.
No, this little clamp thing is what's blocking it from going
Yeah,
on.
man, that shit.
Oh, you mean inside?
Yeah, I was trying to put it inside to see if it go like inside. Yeah, like that. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You might have to bend it a little bit to get in. Yeah, something like that.
Or hold on. You know what I'm thinking too? Cause when this thing pop up a little bit, it probably go in between.
Yeah,
That's what we was doing.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
yeah. Inside, yeah.
No, you know what I'm saying too?
What?
That's why you probably should put that part in first and then screw it down. That might be a little easier to do it that way. You know what I'm saying? Just don't tighten it up. You see what I'm saying? 'Cause it's gonna be-
No, if I
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. That's what I'm saying.
hold on. But first tighten that bitch up a little bit. That way you can have room. Yeah.
Screw right here. Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
There we go.
That's what I'm saying, right?
All right, y'all. Let's eat. What is it? Ooh, y'all hear that shit? Yeah. Hey, that whole sounds so good, boy. I'm telling you.
that exhaust too.
Yeah. Oh, you hear that whine? That whine crazy. Hold on, I'm gonna hit the gas for you. Hold on. That whine crazy, boy. Hold on. hey. Man, bro. Hey, for sure, nigga, you already know. You already know. That shit sounds so good, boy. Hey, yeah. Hey, straight up, for real.
Bro, these concrete, bro, this shit more like a family, bro. Like niggas not on the same page. Ain't no point in sticking around, bro.
Hey, that's. Hold on, let me hit the gas one more time. Let me put it on this one. Ooh, that motherfucker sounds so good.
God, this sounds good.
Shit.
I'm wild, yeah.
Hey, That shit sound crazy. Boy, I love that shit.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
You ain't seen nothing.
All right, let's hit the block, y'all. We gonna drive around real quick, y'all, and we're gonna see how it sounds. But right now, that shit sound good. All right, let's get inside though. I can hear a little bit already.
Yeah,
See, you ain't even mashed it.
Damn, bro.
See, when you get up on it, you'll probably hear a little bit more.
Yeah. That shit sound quiet. I know the leg maker, that shit loud.
Yeah.
That
See,
shit
the
loud.
only thing I was thinking about the leg maker, bro, it's enclosed.
Yeah.
So I want my shit open like this one, you know what I'm saying? But I heard it's good though. The leg maker good too.
And I heard the JLT has more than horsepower in it.
Yeah, yep, it do.
Barely hear that.
But no, you gotta hit it. When you hit it, yeah, if you could get a little room and try to mash it just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And you do that, then you might hear a little bit. Just give it a little throttle, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you hear that? You hear it. You hear it. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, you hear it. Now, if you want to get on that road right there and go like the Dollar General and turn back around, then you could probably really, bust it right. You can really hit it a little bit, yeah. I can hear it already though.
Bro. Damn, but this shit was not speaking like this, bro.
Man, I'm trying to tell you, bro, this motherfucker sound good.
Damn, appreciate you, bro.
Oh yeah, you already know, bro. You already know. Yeah. Ooh, you got me thirsty, bro. I can't wait.
Bro, time to intake.
Man, bro. I can't wait. Something like that. Yeah, you go push it a little bit right here. So you hear that? Now you hear that? Ooh, shit. Yeah, that bitch,
bro.
Hey.
Damn.
That must sound good, boy.
Damn.
It's gonna open it up way better.
Yeah.
And wait till you get on the highway. You can turn around the Dollar General right there and come back. But wait till you get on the highway and push it, bro. Man.
I feel the difference, bro.
Yeah.
It's like it wants to go.
Oh, you want to go? Yeah.
Damn.
You trying to release that beast, boy.
Damn, bro.
Man, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, you can turn around somewhere here and then go back. He said whenever they want smoke, he put it
That bitch a track, man.
in the trap. Oh, yeah.
Everything red.
Yeah, everything red. But it take your traction off too, though.
Yeah, see, I don't like that.
Yeah, you can take it off manually. So just hit that right there, and then it'll take it off, and now you keep your track on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This bitch sound good, boy.
God.
Hey, you see it want to go,
Bro. Oh my God. Bro.
Man.
Put this bitch back in default.
He said put it back in default. He still got 700.
Oh shit, bro.
Man, bro.
Talking, bro.
Yeah, there y'all go, man.
Yes,
That JLT gonna do it, boy.
JLT gonna do
Nah,
it.
I can't wait. He got me ready for to go water my shit, man. Fuck that.
Bro, ready for that up. Bro,
I'm ready for that, boy. I gotta get that, man. I gotta get that.
Left.
Yeah, make a left right there. Man. Pull up to the left. What's the video on the JLT, man? We're gonna go and get up out of here, man. This boy got me ready.
Yeah.
For real though, man. We're gonna go and get up out of here. Y'all sub button, the like button. We're gonna go. Let's go.